Your Santa Monica home has good bones, but maybe it's stuck in a different decade or just doesn't work for how you actually live. We get it, and we know exactly how to fix it. At Precise Building and Restoration, we transform Santa Monica homes into spaces that feel both modern cool and totally functional. Whether you're opening up walls to capture those ocean breezes, updating a kitchen that's still rocking 90s oak cabinets, or adding a primary suite, we make it happen without the usual remodeling nightmare. We specialize in full-scale renovations that respect your home's character while bringing it into this century. Our team handles permits, design, and construction, so you're not juggling 17 different contractors who all blame each other when things go sideways. Clean job sites and realistic timelines. Santa Monica Living deserves spaces as beautiful as the backdrop. Ready to reimagine your home? Contact Precise Building and Restoration, and let's start your remodeling journey.